This is the SmallRig 1/4 inch camera hot shoe mount ball head tripod. Let me show you what you get with this, and I'll show you what my intended purpose was for getting this. These things are actually really well built. They come in a nice little box here. So you get two of these mounts, two of them. I've got one of them mounted on the camera that I'm using right now, and I'll show you. So two things. We've got the mount itself here, and we've got this threaded screw that goes on here. So you can actually lock this down anywhere you want, and this locks into place. This is a nice metal product. Doesn't feel cheaply made at all. And you've got this lock here for this swivel, and this swivels around all the way. And it also goes into a 90 if you want, and you can lock it into position anywhere you want. Obviously, this is threaded on the bottom so that you can thread it onto something. Let me show you what I'm using it for. So you can see right here, this is what I've used it for. I've attached a phone stand to a boom mount. Underneath of this mount right here had a threaded position on it. So this is exactly what I needed because I wanted to put a light on here. So you can see in this position, I can adjust, I've got my camera right here. I've got the light underneath. I can adjust the light up, down, any way I want. And it actually works out great. There it is, the 2-pack of SmallRig 1/4 inch camera hot shoe mounts. Pretty awesome.